I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayladeebookings.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So today we are back with another wig tutorial. This wig is from Hairsmarket. Per usual, I like to always go in and unbox my hair on camera for you guys, just to show you guys everything that does come with your wig. So off rip, as you guys can see, comes in this pretty bag right here. I'm just gonna open this and show you guys everything that comes inside. How you guys feeling my little bun? Are we here for it? So, as usual, they always send you some wig caps for your wigs. This, I'm not sure. Ooh, I'm not exactly sure what this is. I'm just gonna open it. Oh, cute. So they send you like a little makeup pouch with some brushes. And they also send you some lashes, but these are the cheap looking ones. And then here we have our wig. Now this is a Deepwave unit. I got it in a 26-inch. You guys know me, I love my long hair. And ooh. Alright, now so this is what the hair is looking like. Oh, it feels so soft. So it does come with some combs on the inside, and also it does have the drawstring in the back that you guys can tie in your wig. This is what the inside is looking like. So as you guys can see, the lace is definitely looking a little white off rip. I will have to go in and add some foundation to it. You guys know me, I do not ever bleach my knots. I don't really have time for it, and I feel like whenever you bleach your knots, your lace does tend to thin out a lot faster compared to not bleaching it. So I personally don't ever bleach my knots. I just use foundation, and I definitely get like the same results. Before adding any foundation to my lace, I'm just gonna try it just to show you guys what I'm talking about. This is what the hair is looking like on my head. As you guys can see, the lace is definitely a little too light and very ashy looking, so I would have to go in and add some foundation there just to tint the lace and get it to match my skin complexion. But so far so good. I will have to also do a little plucking. I don't think I really need to do a lot, but definitely gotta go in and do a little plucking.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm here 'cause it's time. Hold you for my life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you're there by my side. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer. see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and it turn that look to real. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for a night. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, hold you for a night. So tight, coming closer.
Pretty much what the wig is looking like now that I'm done with installing her. This wig, you guys, is so gorgeous. Again, this hair is from Hairsmarket. This is your 26-inch Deepwave HD lace front wig. As you guys can see, the lace just laid so flat onto my head. Although I did have to go in and do a little plucking at the beginning, I absolutely love the end result. The hair is just absolutely beautiful, you guys. The lace is really soft and nice. The only thing is I did not like the color of it. So as you guys saw, I did have to add some foundation to my lace. After adding the foundation, the lace melted right in with my skin tone. I am absolutely loving this hair, you guys. Also, I love the fact that it is full throughout the entire wig. It's full all the way down to the end of the hair. I'm not exactly sure what's the density on this wig, but by the time this video goes up, I will have all of that links down below for you guys. It is a 13x4 lace front, but as you guys can see, you do get a pretty deep parting space. The lace is doing everything for me. The only thing I did not like about the lace is just the fact that the color was like throwing me off a little bit. But after adding my foundation, she is definitely giving, it's giving skin, it's giving melted. And also I did not even use too much of my spray hair. I absolutely love this. I love the curl texture. It is such a pretty wig, you guys, and the length is everything. Like I said, I am pretty tall, so I'm really surprised that a 26-inch actually looks so long on me in the hair. If you were to stretch it, this honestly comes down all the way to like my butt. The hair itself also is very soft. So far I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling from this hair. The wig is just absolutely bomb, you guys. Like, I highly recommend this. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I will have everything linked down below to where you guys can purchase this exact same wig. If I do have a discount code from them, that'll be linked down below as well. Also, the lashes that I'm wearing is from my collection. This one is in the style Blossom, I believe. I will have that linked down below in the description box as well. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this hair. How are we feeling this? And yeah, this pretty much brings us to the ending of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.